Page 256. This is number 2 at the bottom of the page. Again, we're just reading the music. So I'll go through the process I used to learn a piece of music to see what happens. But hopefully you just sit down and read this. Just one hand at a time if you have to, but just try and read through it. So you're trying to do the dynamics and articulation and the notes and the rhythms and everything all at once. Sight read it. I'll look it over. It's 2 lines long. Treble, bass, clef, 1 flat in the key signatures. So it's either in the key of F major or D minor. I'll look at the E the last couple measures. Ending on F, I figure it's an F major. Okay. 3/4 time signature, right hands. Get the melody. 1, 2, 1, 2. The second line, reach up 1. Now they want 4. Don't have to. And measure 6, you don't have to do that. You can just 3. Just then come down. Different ways of fingering it. To me, this is easier than this, especially if you got big hands. So I do that. Yeah. And the left hand with the broken chords. And then I try and put them together. It's here. Sounds wonderful, it's supposed to. I mean, sometimes the melody doesn't fit within the chord real well. We have this passing note messes it up. It would be easier if that passing note were short, like, see there it's not quite so much because it's real short, but when it's long like this, you hear it. Whatever. And the chords, you got the chords I hope. You're just using the chords we've been using here. Okay. No hesitations as far as articulation go. The left hand, I'm just chuck chuck. You could do experiment with that and see if you like it. It's interpretation. I'm not going to. I'm just going to play them. The right hand, you connect it, and the phrasing is each line is a phrase. So at the end of the first line, lift up. I'm lifting up the left hand anyway, but here, lift up. Okay. Dynamics, MF is all they give you. That's the melody, whatever you think moderately loud is. Mezzo forte. This, soft. Yeah. Now the last 2 measures. When I'm doing this, I want to hear this. So don't drown it out. So you're gonna, and this fades away. So you're gonna have to get a little softer. That last note will have to be sort of very soft. Because I still want to hear that note. And the speed, allegro is quick. I don't know how quick it is, it's quick. Moderato is go up a little bit to allegretto. It's a allegro's faster than that. To me, that's allegro, excuse me. Yeah, and there's faster things than this, but that's all right. They want you to transpose this to G major. So instead of F, we go up 1 key to G major. So now all the F's are sharped, and everything is just in the music up 1 note. Instead of here, you hear. And the chords. Remember, in G major, there's F sharps. You do it. I'm just messing around here. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. And I'm not doing any dynamics. We're just checking notes and rhythms. 1, ready, go. 3, off.